Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off a travel notification in a Google app. Here, if you use Android, of course, there is a built-in or bloatware or default app. Of course, the Google itself. So here, in order to open the Google, not the Google Chrome here, but only a Google, you can tap it. And here you can tap your profile in order to go to the settings. Here under the settings you can adjust or configure your privacy and safety, manage your notification or updates you get from Google, set up your Google Assistant, manage settings for Gemini, your AI assistant, a voice or offline speech recognition, customize search widget, other settings like change language, autocomplete and autoplay, and this is the about or the application version terms and policies. In order to access the travel notification, you can click or you can tap the Google Assistant. Here you can try to find on general settings. Here we go. You can scroll down and to try to find manage general setting for your assistant. You can tap it, and here we go. Your assistant helps answer your question and get things done. So here the Google Assistant is on by default. So in order to turn off the travel notification, you can try to turn off your Google Assistants by switch this button off. When off, your assistant will no longer respond when you say, "Hey Google." Also, assistant features that help with your personal information like ambient mode or and snapshot would not be available. You can delete your assistant history in this link. You can click or tap this link, myactivity.google.com. Next, just tap on turn off button. Or if you want to keep Google Assistant on but you want to turn off the travel notification, you can just tap this notification button. So receive notification like a reminder on this device. Even if notifications are off, you will still hear alarms and important updates. So make sure you have good internet connection in order to turn off this notification, because there are a lot of options here. So here I'm sorry, let's get back. You can choose which type of notification you like to receive from your assistant. So even you can tap three dots at the top of your screen in order to access Google activity controls, your data in assistant, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.